talked about crossing over and variation within a population, but how do genes actually recombine? When the chromosomes cross over, the genes that are farthest apart are more likely to be recombined than those that are closer together. It is mostly just a probability game. The farther apart something is, the more space there is available for crossing over to occur. When there's a small amount of space between genes, it is less likely that crossing over will occur in that small amount of space. Lastly, let's look at some alterations to the actual chromosome structure or number. The first type of error is known as non-disjunction. In non-disjunction, chromosomes don't separate properly, resulting in gametes with either too many or too few chromosomes. Probably the best known disease that results from this type of error is Down syndrome or trisomy 21. Those individuals will have 3 numbered 21 chromosomes instead of the normal 2. The second type of alteration is to chromosome structure, where the parts of chromosomes are not as they should be. Our first example is of deletion. This is where genes are lost from a chromosome. If we were to use an example of a sentence for the chromosome, where the normal sentence would be, "The quick brown fox jumped over the fence," in a deletion the sentence would read, "The quick jumped over the fence." In duplication, chromosomes pick up an extra set of genes. Using the sentence before, the altered sentence would be, "The quick brown fox jumped over the fence." You have the same genetic information twice. Thirdly is inversion, where all the correct information is on the correct chromosome, but in the wrong order. In this case, our sentence would read, "The quick over the fence brown fox." And our last example is where parts of one chromosome end up on the wrong chromosome, and this is known as translocation. Let's review our objectives again. Make sure you bring your muddiest point to class for our mini lecture. And as always, here are some great resources to help you further understand these concepts. My personal favorite is the Ask a Geneticist link down at the bottom, where you can ask a geneticist any question you have about human inheritance patterns. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or come to my office hours or chat with me in class.